Everybody is worried about where they're gonna go and all things done. No one knows for certain, so it's all the same to me. Think I'll just let the mystery be. Some say they're going to a place called Glory, and I ain't saying it ain't a fact, but I've heard that I'm on the road to purgatory, and I don't like the sound of that. I believe in love and to live my life.
I'm waking up to ash and dust. I wipe my brow and I sweat my rust. I'm breathing in the chemicals. I'm breaking in, I'm shaping up, then checking out on the prison bus. This is it, the apocalypse. Whoa, I'm waking up. I feel it in my bones, enough to make my systems blow. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Whoa, whoa, I'm radioactive, radioactive. Whoa, whoa, I'm radioactive, radioactive. I raise my flags, I dye my clothes. It's a revolution, I suppose. We're painted red to fit right in. Whoa, I'm breaking in, I'm shaping up, then checking out on the prison bus. This is it, the apocalypse. Whoa, I'm waking up.